Most of the common siding installation mistakes that we see are due to not following the manufacturer's recommendations. James Hardie siding has a very specific set of install requirements as far as grade requirements, how things happen around openings, and so when you don't study those requirements or you ignore the instructions, those are the most common installation mistakes we see. When we go to jobs that someone wants us to look at after the fact, when somebody else has installed the siding, it's not a problem with the siding itself, it's with improperly installing that siding. James Hardie siding will stand the test of time if it's put on right, but just like any manufacturer, it's engineered to perform under a certain set of circumstances, and if it's not installed that way, then it's not gonna perform the way that it was intended.